Moving doesn't have to be stressful. When I was moving my family from DC to New York, I wanted to find a moving company that one, had great pricing, and two, had exceptional customer service because I am a new mom, a business owner, and I don't have time to be stressed about moving. When I found Roadway Moving Company, I became obsessed. Their customer service was seamless. They were so on top of everything, and it was the most seamless, easiest move I've ever had in my life.
They're killing it.
They're unbelievable. And I begged them if I could make a budget template for their community because I know that with the right financial plan and the right moving company, moving can be easy and stress-free and fun. Not fun. They agreed, so I went to work creating the most thorough budget template and checklist you could possibly need for your move. I'm talking pre-move, high yield savings account setup, during the move, thinking about PTO and childcare for your kid, thinking about your life after your move. Are you gonna order a lot of takeout in the first month? Probably. The budget templates are super user-friendly, and I've created video demonstrations to walk you through every step. Beyond the Green Coaching and Roadway Moving Company value two very important things. One, exceptional customer service, and two, a stress-free move. So let's dive in. I'll see you in the video below.